Henry, you want me to be nice to you? You stole my laundry. You stole my laundry, folded it, and now you're here at my front door. And while I'm sure you meant this as some kind of gesture of goodwill, it's a little weird. And the phone calls. Henry. The phone calls at 1 a.m. have got to stop. I don't even know how you got my number. I'm not even listed. You call and say, oh, I'm so sorry. I must have dialed your wrong number. You dialed the wrong number. My number. At 1 a.m. for the last week. No, Henry. No.